Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 12 vitamin B12-rich foods that can help you say goodbye to brain fog forever. If you've been struggling with mental fatigue, lack of focus, or memory issues, incorporating these foods into your diet can make a significant difference. Get ready to nourish your brain and boost your cognitive function as we dive into these brain-boosting superfoods. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health, nutrition, and wellness. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational and knowledge purposes only, so speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Let's get started. Dairy products, brain-boosting goodness. Dairy products, such as milk, cheese, and yogurt, offer a range of brain-boosting benefits, including vitamin B12. These calcium-rich delights are convenient and delicious sources of this essential nutrient. Choose low-fat or Greek yogurt and opt for quality cheese options to enjoy the brain-boosting benefits without compromising your health goals. Shellfish, a bounty of brain power. Our first category of vitamin B12-rich foods is shellfish. Clams, mussels, and oysters are not only delicious but also packed with vitamin B12, making them ideal choices for supporting brain health. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in neurological function, and including shellfish in your diet can provide a significant boost to your brain power. Poultry, lean and nourishing. Poultry, such as chicken and turkey, is not only a lean source of protein but also a good provider of vitamin B12. By including poultry in your diet, you can support your brain health, improve cognitive function, and wave goodbye to brain fog. Fortified plant-based alternatives, vegan-friendly sources. If you follow a plant-based or vegan lifestyle, there are fortified plant-based alternatives available to meet your vitamin B12 needs. Fortified plant-based milk, cereals, and nutritional yeast are fortified with vitamin B12, ensuring that you can maintain optimal brain function while adhering to your dietary choices. Beef, a tasty source of brain fuel. Beef, particularly lean cuts like sirloin or tenderloin, is not only flavorful but also a great source of vitamin B12. By enjoying beef in moderation, you can fuel your brain with this essential vitamin, supporting cognitive function and saying goodbye to brain fog. Fortified breakfast cereals, a convenient option. Fortified breakfast cereals are a convenient way to incorporate vitamin B12 into your diet. Many cereals are fortified with a variety of nutrients, including vitamin B12. Starting your day with a bowl of fortified breakfast cereal can provide you with the brain-boosting benefits you need to stay sharp and focused. Cheese, savory and nutrient-rich. Cheese, such as Swiss, cheddar, and mozzarella, not only adds a savory touch to your meals but also provides a good amount of vitamin B12. Whether you sprinkle it on your favorite dishes or enjoy it as a standalone snack, cheese can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your brain-boosting diet. Yogurt, creamy and nourishing. Yogurt is not only a creamy and delightful treat but also a good source of vitamin B12. Incorporating yogurt into your daily routine can provide you with the necessary nutrients to support brain function, enhance cognitive abilities, and keep brain fog at bay. Nutritional yeast, a vegan superfood. Last but not least, nutritional yeast is a vegan superfood often fortified with vitamin B12. This versatile ingredient adds a cheesy flavor to various dishes and provides a vegan-friendly source of this vital nutrient. Sprinkle nutritional yeast on your favorite foods to elevate their taste while nourishing your brain. Eggs, versatile brain food. Eggs are a versatile and affordable source of vitamin B12. Whether you enjoy them scrambled, boiled, or in an omelette, eggs provide a substantial amount of this essential vitamin. By starting your day with eggs, you're providing your brain with the necessary nutrients to support optimal cognitive function and say goodbye to brain fog. Liver, nature's nutrient powerhouse. Liver, particularly beef liver, is often hailed as a nutrient-dense superfood. It contains an abundance of vitamin B12, along with other essential nutrients like iron and folate. Adding liver to your diet in moderation can provide a substantial dose of vitamin B12, supporting optimal brain function and bidding farewell to brain fog. Fish, swimming with brain benefits. Fish, such as salmon, trout, and sardines, not only offer omega-3 fatty acids but are also excellent sources of vitamin B12. Omega-3s are known for their brain-boosting benefits, while vitamin B12 enhances cognitive function and helps combat brain fog. By incorporating these fish into your meals regularly, you can nourish your brain and experience improved memory, focus, and mental clarity. And there you have it, the top 12 vitamin B12-rich foods that can help you say goodbye to brain fog forever. By incorporating these nutrient-packed foods into your diet, you can support your brain health, enhance cognitive function, and experience mental clarity like never before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health, nutrition, and wellness. We appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and remember to prioritize your brain health by incorporating these vitamin B12-rich foods into your daily routine. Say farewell to brain fog and hello to a sharper, more focused mind. Until next time, take care.